The SI Pro Zero Edge Black Diamond 1.2 gain with a 4050 Epson projector. Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for tuning in today. We just finished off another project where we had the 120-inch Zero Edge Black Diamond screen with the 1.2 gain. This is the Zero Edge model from Screen Innovations. Super stoked with the results of this project. We're using the Epson 4050 projector, the eShift 4K model that we've been using a lot this year. And then for the surround sound system, we're using the Episode 350 series. Front, left, and rights are in the wall. And then the center speaker, we're using the on-wall 350 series, which can also be placed on a stand as we're using it now. And then in the ceiling, we're using the 350 series in ceiling from Episode for our overhead Atmos effects. And then in the rear of the room over here, you're gonna notice we have our low rears. So this configuration is considered a 5.1.2, meaning a 5.1 with 2 overhead Atmos speakers for all your high effects like helicopters, rain, anything that would be coming from above you, and then everything on the ground level is coming from these rear speakers. You can see this SI screen is designed for rooms with ambient light, but you don't necessarily have to have ambient light in the room to enjoy the ultra rich contrast that you're going to get with this particular screen, even paired with inexpensive projectors like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To purchase a home theater from us, or if you have any questions, just give us a call. Don't forget to subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.